everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Glamour Ellen. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So guys, in this video, I am co-hosting the Mother's Day Tea Party that hosted by Grandma Sandy, and we are the co-host, myself, Glamour Ellen, and my friend Antonette of Decorating Anne's Place. So guys, we asked you to style any area of your home for a Mother's Day tea party as long as suitable for Mother's Day tea party. So to all the participants of this collaboration, thank you guys so much for joining us on this fun Mother's Day tea party tablescape. And as you can see here, I already set up my tablecloth. So all items I've been using in this tablescape is from Steve's mother. So I would like to shout out Steve's mother for letting me borrow all her items. So guys, you don't have to buy anything. If you can borrow from your friends or from your neighbor, you can do it in your upcoming tablescape because we cannot afford to buy all new all the time. So alright, without further ado, let's get this started. So everyone, this is the current situation of my table right now. So I did put those beautiful lace tablecloth from Steve's mother and my, I don't know what it's called, I think dolly. Alright guys, so I will show you the dinnerware I am using for this Mother's Day tea party. So everything is over here. I used this last year for a Mother's Day tea party as well here in the house because I invited them to have Mother's Day afternoon tea party here in the house, and all of us are have fun. So we start from the cups first. And this one came from Johnson and Brother. I believe she already has this for 30 years. And this one is the salad plate. And another appetizer plate. This is the dinner plate. I believe you can get this at replacement, and that's the brand right there. This will be my napkin ring in my head of the table, and my napkin ring in the four-seaters. This candelabra is also from Steve's mom's, and isn't it so pretty? This candelabra is, I believe, also 30 years old. And here I'm using my crystal vase, and I just recycle all my flowers, whatever my flowers are. This is my favorite sweets right here, and it is a fruit cake from Heinen's. So I have this guy, the hot cinnamon spice. This is one of my favorite. And I got this one from Heinen's. Heinen's grocery store, similar to Whole Foods. Welcome to my Mother's Day Tea Party 2021. I hope you guys enjoy. And happy Mother's Day to all of you, all mothers out there. I wish you can sit in this table and let's have fun and have a cup of tea. Everyone, after you watch my videos, please go over to Grandma Sandy, which is the host of this open collaboration, and Antonette of Decorating Anne's Place channel. I will leave their link in my description box along with the playlist. Also guys, don't forget to all the participants who participate in this open collaboration. I know you guys will get some inspiration from them as well. Now, let's enjoy this video. And to Mom Allison and Steve's aunt, happy Mother's Day to you guys, and I hope you have a wonderful day. This tablescape right here is specially decorated, and your guys are my inspiration with this one. Also, I dedicate this tablescape to my mom, my mother, Nanay in the Philippines. Happy Mother's Day to you as well. I love you. Here's the nighttime look. Let me know guys which one you prefer the most. Is it the daytime or the nighttime look? To all mothers all over the world, happy Mother's Day to you guys, and I hope you enjoy your special day. Everyone, please don't forget to check the playlist and watch all the participants' creation. I know you will get some inspiration. Every one of us have different styling ideas when it comes to tablescape. Also guys, don't forget, on Thursday, we have a close collab from the Glam Squad. This is my group. And we also do a Mother's Day tablescape inspiration. And on Friday, this one, you need to watch this video. We are 10 creators that were doing Bloomingdale's Hop-In tablescape, so you need to watch each and every one of us and comments on that video, and you have a chance to win $100 for this tablescape. And if you like my video today, I hope you consider subscribing to my channel. Hit the bell twice so all the time I upload new videos, you will be notified. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye everyone.